Well, good morning, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike out here on Toledo Bend Lake this morning. It's going to be a great morning. I get to do a lake test run on my latest restore. It's number 159 for Tora. It's a 1958 Johnson 7.5 horsepower. She is completely restored, top to bottom. I mean, she's a beauty. She is a beauty. Runs great in the barrel. And we're about to see how she's going to run on the lake. Let's take a look on the inside of her. Completely rebuilt. I mean, taken apart, clean, painted, upgraded 2-line to single line. Fuel system, cleaned and rebuilt the carb, the magneto, the gear case. Hard to believe I've done 159 and it never gets old when they come out this pretty. So let's take her out on the water and see how she runs this morning. Looks like we might have some weather coming in. Let's take her out and see how she does. Everybody's ready. Here we go. All right, we're out here on the lake running her. I've been running her, man. I don't get 10s all the time very often. I don't know, maybe 10%. Here's another 10. My last 18 was a 10 and this 18 is a 10. 1958 7.5. Johnson for Tora, and it runs great. Pushes my Misty boat about 14 miles an hour, or 7.5. That's really good. So let's take her for a spin, see how she goes. He's a beautiful runner. Idles down really nice. Reverse works, man, I tell you, great little motor, great little motor. Tora, she's ready for you. Come get her when you're ready. I love what I do. I love working on these vintage really sweet. Another good one. I love what I do. All right, let's take her on in. See y'all next video. y'all enjoyed the video. You know, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, my passion are the vintage outboard motors, 1950s, 60s, and 70s, Johnson and Evinrudes. I just love them. And my mission is to have every part, every video, and every parts manual you need to repair, service, and restore those vintage outboard motors. And I think I've come pretty close to doing that. I have a website. Go ahead and click on it. It's the first link down below. It's tmikesvintageoutboards.com. On that website is the best way to reach me. You can find my mail-in service repair where you can ship me your carburetor, your gear case, your magneto. I'll repair it, test it, and video it and put it on YouTube for you to see. I also have all the parts you need right there on that website. I have technical consulting. If you need some questioning, I have a donation page. You can donate some money and ask me questions, and I can get back to you. That's really my best way to contact me is through my website, T Mike's Vintage Outboards. So I love what I do. I love my passion. I love helping people, and it's been a great ride. So remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.